Peach. So here's our peach. Now as for the skin, you want to make sure that there's no major blemishes. To check for ripeness, simply press gently, and as you can see, it leaves an indent, which means it's ripe. If you have to press really hard to leave an indent, then it still needs some time. Similar to our nectarine, there's a seam right here, and using the same technique, we want to cut adjacent to that seam. I'll twist to remove both halves and reveal the pit. I like to use a paring knife for this task, working around and underneath the pit. Now once I feel it's loose, I can simply dislodge it with my knife. And there's our halved peach. We can then give it a rough dice like so, which is perfect to use in a cobbler or a salad. Or you can slice it thinly like I'm doing here for an elegant garnish on a dessert plate. Another method is to slice it into these crescents, which can be used for a pie or upside down cake. And that is how you break down a peach.